wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hey, Olivia!
Hi, Noah.
Do you want to play?
No.
I've been looking for Woody's hat. Do you know where it is?
No.
Is it in your box? Is it in your secret box?
I don't know.
We should look. Oh, there it is! Yay! Oh, now Woody and Bo can play. Wait, where's Bo? Where's Bo? Oh, I see her right here.
Noah.
Oh, good. Come on, let's play. You be Bo Peep, and then I be Woody.
No, I don't want to play Noah. I want to go to bed.
What's going on, Olivia?
I'm just really tired today.
Why are you tired? It's in the afternoon and it's time to play. Come on, get out. Here's Bo. Come on.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Bo. I can't play today. You could maybe Bo could just lay in bed with me like this. Bo can just sleep with me. Yeah.
But what's going on, Olivia?
I just don't feel good. I feel really tired and I'm kind of hot and I'm kind of cold too.
Do you have wait? You're hot and you're cold. Do you have a fever?
I don't know. How do I know that?
Oh, you're really hot.
Yeah.
Oh, do you have a tummy ache?
No, my tummy's okay.
Do your ears hurt?
No, my ears are okay.
Do you have the sniffles?
No.
Oh, you're coughing. Oh no. Does your throat hurt?
Yeah, it hurts when I talk and it hurts when I swallow.
Oh, I think we need to go to the doctor so we can get some medicine and he can look what you have.
No, I don't need to go to the doctor. No, I'm fine. I think, okay, we could play. Let's play instead.
No. Let me take Bo Peep out. I don't think you can play. You need to rest up, but you also need some medicine, and we can only get medicine for you once you've seen a doctor, and the doctor can find out what you have.
No, I don't want to go to the doctor. The doctor's scary.
No, doctors aren't scary. Doctors are there to help you, so you feel better again.
But I mean, what's the doctor gonna do?
The doctor's going to check on you. That means he's going to look into your ears to see if you have an ear infection. And then he's going to look into your eyes to make sure your eyes are okay. And then he's going to ask you to go, ah!
My eyes and my ears don't hurt.
Yeah, but he's just going to check because sometimes it can start to become an infection and he will be able to see if something is not right.
Oh.
And then he's going to check your heartbeat to make sure that your heart's good. And he uses a tool called a stethoscope.
A stethoscope, okay.
I think that's what he says.
Stethoscope.
I think that's what he says.
What's the stethoscope?
So basically he puts it on his ears and then he puts it onto your heart and he can hear your boom, 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 boom.
Oh.
Boom, boom. And so it doesn't hurt at all. He just wants to make sure that your heart's okay.
Is it kind of like he's listening to headphones?
Yeah, it's kind of like listening to listening with headphones.
Oh.
Yep. And then if you would have a tummy ache, if you say to him, at your tummy hurts, he will probably just pat on your tummy just to see where the pain's coming from. But since you don't have that, he's not going to do that.
Well, wait, how's he gonna know what's wrong with my throat?
So he will ask you to open your mouth really, 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 really wide. And then exactly, you'll have to just go, ah. And then he will see if it's all red, that means you'll probably have an infection. And then he's also going to touch your throat to see if your glands are swollen. That just means that your throat is hurting.
Yeah, if I touch my throat, it hurts right there.
Yeah,
right there
he's probably
hurts.
going to do that, and then you're going to say, owie, that hurts. And then he'll know, oh, you have a step throat.
Oh, a step throat?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what they call it if your throat hurts. And it's kind of like having a cold.
Oh.
And then he's going to check your fever, which with a thermometer, he's going to ask you to put it underneath your tongue, and then you just hold it for a couple of seconds until it beeps. And then once it beeps, he's going to check your temperature.
We already know my temperature is very hot.
Yeah, but me feeling your temperature, we don't really know if that's over your normal temperature or if it's way, way, way over. Because if it's way, way, way over, he will definitely have to give you medication.
Oh, okay, but then after I go to the doctor, then I'll start to feel better?
Yeah, of course. Doctors always make us feel better, right, kids? Yeah, they always make you feel better. They're just going to check on you and they will identify what the problem is. And then they will give you a prescription for medicine. So, and that medicine, sometimes it can be yummy, like cough syrup. It can taste yummy.
Oh.
But sometimes medication isn't that yummy. But then you can mix it with whatever and then you can eat it. I'm sure
Okay.
it's going to be okay.
All right. Well, I mean, maybe you could come with me to the doctor?
I will come with you to the doctor and I'll make sure that I'll hold your hand if you have a pain.
Yeah.
And so you can squeeze very, very tight.
Yeah.
And then this way it won't hurt that much.
Okay. Well, if you'll come with me, then I'll go to the doctor.
Yeah, I'll go with you.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure mommy and daddy will come along too.
Yeah. Okay then.
Okay.
So we'll go to the doctor and then I can play as soon as we get home.
Well, let's see. The doctor might tell you that you need to rest and sleep a little bit and stay in bed for a couple of days, which is okay too. Your body needs to rest so it can get better again. And before you know it, you'll be able to play again. And then we'll play with Bo Peep and Woody, okay?
Okay. And maybe we can watch a cartoon later.
Oh, I'm pretty sure. Oh, we're just going to watch an episode of Dream Again.
Yeah, we could watch us as puppets when we play.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like our sing-along songs, or maybe we can do, I'll do a reading.
Yeah, a reading would be good, because then you could read.
And then you'll fall
I
asleep.
could go to sleep, yeah.
Yep.
I'm really tired.
Okay?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
well, we'll have to go now.
Okay, let's go to the doctor.
Okay.
Okay.
Just be careful. Just get up very, very slowly. I'm going to put Bo Peep over here. And then Woody over here. Well, they'll wait for us. Okay?
Yeah, I'm really tired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to go now.
All right, let's go to the doctor.
Okay,
now.
let's go to the doctor. Okay, Olivia. Now that you're back in bed, all tucked away, right? The doctor's visit wasn't that bad after all now, was it?
No, it wasn't bad at all. He looked in my throat and he listened to my heart with a stethoscope.
Stethoscope. Yeah, I said that wrong before.
Yeah, so did I. We both did. And then he checked my temperature and said that I was really hot.
Yeah.
More than I should be.
Yeah. But he gave you medication for that and your strep throat.
Yeah, and he said I have strep throat, which means I have little dots on the back of my tongue.
Yeah. But
And
the
that's
medication,
why it
it tastes okay, right?
Yeah, it tasted. They gave me. I could choose between cherry or grape. Yeah, and I chose grape.
Oh, yummy! That's good.
Yeah, it was very good.
But then the coolest thing is you get to eat ice cream, popsicle sticks.
Yay!
right?
Yeah, popsicles. He said the cold would feel good on my throat.
You didn't think that was going to happen now, did you?
No, I didn't think the doctor would let me have a treat.
Yeah, see? And that's the cool thing. Sometimes that happens when you go to the doctor because all they care about is that you get better again.
Yeah.
Right?
And guess what else is cool?
What?
Now that we're back and I'm feeling a little bit better, you can get Bo Peep and Woody and we can sit and watch Dream Again together.
Oh, yeah, let's do that. Okay,
Yeah?
let me get them.
Yeah, because I want to lay with
There's
Bo
Bo
Peep.
Peep. Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, and then I'm gonna get Woody. There.
Yeah, just like that.
Just like that. Okay. Woody. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, I love Woody.
Yeah, I
Okay.
love Bo Peep too.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, I'll turn on the episode.
Okay.
Which one do you want to watch?
I don't care. You pick.
Okay.
A reading one.
Okay, I'll do a
I wanna
reading one.
watch a reading
How
one.
about we pick 3 mice?
Oh,
Three
yeah.
blind mice.
3 blind mice. That
Okay.
sounds like a good one. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Oh, we should probably say goodbye to the kids.
Oh, well, kids, thanks for watching. I know Olivia was sick today, but remember,
Yeah.
going to the doctor is not a bad thing. Doctors want to help you, and so you don't have to be afraid at all, right?
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all, guys. I didn't want to go, but then when I went, then it was fine, and I already feel just like a little bit better. So
Yep, that's good. Well, kids, thanks for watching, and I hope that you won't get sick. But if you do get sick, then go to the doctor, get some medication so you get better soon again.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Kids. Bye.
Bye, kids.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!